All right, I love this story. A Utah man went to put on a coat he hadn't worn in years when he found a surprise in his pocket.
Money?
No, he didn't win the, I don't know, pocket lottery. David Whipple reached in and found this hamburger. Yeah. He says he bought it at a McDonald's back in 1999 for an experiment on enzymes and how they work, but he ended up just tossing the food back in his jacket when no mold grew. Well, fast forward more than a decade later, and the burger still looks the same as when he first bought it. Whipple says he considers the burger part of the family now. Yeah, okay. And he even taking it on a trip to Disneyland to meet Mickey and Pluto.